Men are, I would even go further and say men are scared of strength.
Yeah, they are.
They're scared
it
of
hurts.
strength.
They don't want to go through the pain.
It's intimidating.
We don't want the pain. We need pain to grow.
They're scared of pain. That's what it is. Because
AI said it. He didn't like working out because the shit fucking hurt. It
hurts. I've been there. There was another. See, I tell you, these talks like this go viral, and I get so much hate when I said that. I said it in one of my videos. I said, you agree with it? Because you might have said, I said, but the workout really doesn't start until you feel that pain in your muscle.
Yep,
that's when the workout starts, because people usually run away from the pain because it hurts.
Like if I don't feel a burn, I'm not training like I'm supposed to be. I need something to hurt. Something has to be fried.
You don't understand how many soy boys were like, no, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh, no, if you feel pain, stop, everybody.
Cotton balls.
No, I wouldn't want to work out if I be in
Cotton
pain.
balls is so.
I'm like, I'm just thinking, I'm like, bro, did y'all hear what I said? I said, bro, you're not gonna grow without pain in any facet, not just working out. You're gonna fail businesses. You're gonna fail on jobs. You're gonna get hurt a few times. You ain't gonna find the first girl of your life and think that you're gonna fall in love with her. Or you're gonna get hurt a few times.
Like if you don't make ugly faces and your reps, you ain't hurt. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing. There needs to be some kind of pain, some kind of trauma.
It has to be something. Men have to grow. If you don't feel pain, then you're not growing as a man. I don't care what nobody says. You got to go through something. You got to go through something. It ain't got to go to the severity of you getting shot or like something like that bad. But I mean, you got to fail at something, lose a job. A girlfriend leaves you and breaks your heart. Like, it has to be something has to happen for you to wake up and realize, yo, I'm built for this.
That's why everybody listens to Andrew Tate. He's been through so much shit, so much trauma, so much heartbreak. Fails, losses.
And that's why he fearless.
Yeah, you got it.
He like, bro, I already been through so much. You can't hurt me no more.
Yeah. This nigga's taking all the heat, and he's still standing up.
And that's admirable. It's very admirable to see men like that. And that's what's missing. We used to look up to guys like that.
Yeah, bro.
Remember back then, when we had movies about it, but like,
the
like the 300.
Yeah, that's super inspiring. Alec Leonidas.
I think that.
Oh,
back then.
Yeah, Leonidas.
But you see how they train them boys at like?
It's hard, bro. They
4 years old.
Throw them in the wild.
Yeah,
go train with the wolves. Come back in a week.
He'd be like, I'm 8.
Yeah.
He's like,
fuck it.
Don't come back until you go kill a wolf.
Yep.
I'm 8. I don't care.
Learn it.
And it's snowing. But they took it as a movie, but they was really doing that. Like you had to be a man at like 12, 13. Here,
get your spear. We'll get this deer.
Yeah, we gotta eat. If you don't go eat, if you don't kill that deer today, or the gazelle, you ain't even eat today.
Yep, you gonna
That's on your food. Don't worry about our food.
Yeah, we gonna eat.
12, go do it.
I see it. It's you have to be tested.
Men, it's just how it is.
No tests.
We're built different. Men and women are just different. And for some reason, they thinking like we the same.
No, we're not.
We gotta go through 2 different things.
2 different worlds.
Women have their thing they have to do.
Yeah.
It may have to do the same thing they have to do, but they're trying to bring it together that y'all both do the same thing.
Yeah.
It's not how it works. He has to go through something. Let that boy get hurt, man. Go let him fall. Let him go let him hurt. Go let him do that.
You gotta have stories to tell.
You got to. You gotta have a scar or 2 on your body. You gotta be able to.
What happened to your face?
Hey man, listen, I had to,
you know what I'm saying? Like,
fell on this though. I had to dude did this. I went through it. I had to do what I had to do.